Crafts and welcome to a very short little video. This video I want to show you the prize that I'm gonna give away on Instagram this week. It's very special to me. I love that we actually have this prize because it wasn't the plan to have this prize available. But we do because this person kindly just made something for us to give away even though we didn't ask. So I really like this one, so we'll just take a look. I did get it out of the outer packaging, and I actually did open it up before because, as you can see, maybe, hopefully, this got wet actually during shipping. I don't know what happened to it, maybe just the rain. So I wanted to check if everything inside was okay, so I did that already. But that's all. So let's just take a look together. So this is actually from Diamond Painting Pals. I've bought multiple trays from her. She sent me one for free as well because, you know, I like her stuff and she knows it, and I bought a lot already. I was insisting on paying for it, but she sent it anyway without me paying. And then she came up with a tray and stuff for these events to give away. So I was so happy and so grateful that she really wanted to do that. So we had a new sponsor to her event, like last minute edition. So she says, "Hi Maaike, I made this witch diamond painting tray for your event. You can take it out and rewrap it if you want. Best wishes, Karen." Well, what I don't want is to rewrap this because she does a stunning job at wrapping stuff up. Look, it's nighttime already, so the lighting might be a bit off, but it's in this plastic bag, and then she packaged this up real good. So I'm not gonna take the tray out. I'm just gonna leave this as one package. I can't reship in this box because it's like beat up, so I'm gonna reship it in something else. And also for that reason, because I have to ship it, this is gonna be a giveaway. It's gonna be on Instagram, not here on YouTube, so please keep that in mind. This giveaway is gonna be for Europe only. It's easier for me to ship to somebody in Europe. So international people, well, European people in this case, you get a more chance to win something. So she shipped this to me so I can do the giveaway. Look, this is a cover reminder that comes with it. It's like a witch bowl. I don't know if you can see it through the plastic, which has a big glare. I can see that is in here. There's another baggie as well with something in it. But the winner has to figure out what it is. But I can tell you already how the tray looks. Well, I can't tell you, I can show you how the tray looks. So I hope my screen catches this. There we go. That is what the tray looks like. It's on Instagram. So it's real cute. It has text. It's a green tray. There you go. So it's really cool. She makes these custom trays. It's so cool. Yeah, so there you go. Because I can't show you this tray because I want to keep it in touch. It's too perfect to get out. Thank you, Karen, so much for taking care of this. It's an awesome prize, and I can't wait to ship it out to the person that wins because the trays are amazing from Karen. I don't want anything else anymore. Well, I do like the Bella Art and Nicole ones, don't get me wrong. I'm actually working a lot on that one for this event, and I do enjoy it a lot. But from the other ones that I have, definitely my Diamond Painting Pals trays. I do have a shiny Shazza tray, and it's very cute, but I don't like that it doesn't have like a straight edge that you can get the drills out easily. And this one has like a bit of a funnel towards the ends. But because I can't show you this one, I'm just gonna show you my tray that she sent me for free. This tray for the Wizard of Oz. She had one left. She made one as a custom for Ashley. She did unbox that in a video. It was a surprise. She really wanted to buy it, and then Karen from Diamond Painting Pals was like, oh, I don't hope it's for her because she's trying to buy this tray. I was like, yes, it's for her. She was like, okay, I won't talk to Ashley anymore. I don't want to post anything yet until she opens it because I'm worried she's gonna buy it. So it was real fun. So I was really happy when she got the tray and unboxed it. I will, if I can find it, I will link that video up in the eye so you can see it. But this is the tray that she's had left over, so she sent it to me for free. I wanted to pay. She was too kind. She's the best. She's so kind, and she's just a young girl doing this herself, and I appreciate that because I'm also a young girl in the community. There's not much young girls in this community, I have to be honest. So I really appreciate it, and I'm just keeping an eye on her shop all the time because she's in Ireland, so shipping to me is very fast most of the times as well. So and it's just it always fits in the normal mail, so you don't have to, you know, get the package, stay home for it. It just comes in the mail like that. So it's very nice. She wraps everything perfectly. This is what I mean by a little bit of a funnel. So you get all the drills here, and it's easier to get them out than if you have a straight edge like this, and you have to get the corner, and then everything falls out. That's why I do like the Bella Art Nichols ones, because they have a bit of a layover here so that they don't fall out. But in this case, this works really well as well. And the ridges are very nice. Everything stays good in here. So yeah, this is my Wizard of Oz tray from Diamond Painting Pals. But you can win your own on my Instagram this week. So keep an eye out. You can win this package. I will ship it to you if you're in Europe. Otherwise, you can't come. You can't take part. I'm sorry. That's just what this price is gonna be, because I have to ship it out myself. Ashley has priced like that too. Just only USA only, because, you know, it's hard for us. We have to ship it out. It costs us money. We like to do it, but we don't want to get too expensive. So that's the deal. So I want to thank Karen again from Diamond Painting Pals. Of course, I will leave her Etsy store, her Instagram, everything down below in the comments. So not in the comments, in the description, so you can check her stuff out if you're interested already. I definitely recommend her. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Keep an eye out on my Instagram, also linked down below, and I will see you somewhere soon in this week. So thank you for watching. I'll see you the next time. Bye!